It all started 27 years ago with 10 individuals, a 6-man air team, a 3-man technical personnel, and a 1-woman administrative team. The date was February 14, 1992, Valentine's Day. Naga City and its peripheral towns woke up to exciting programs coming out of the radio sets. The listeners smiled. They knew something great was on. DWNX FM 91.1 MHz was born. From that day on, the airwaves were never the same again. After only 3 months of broadcast, with a measly 4 kilowatts of transmitter power competing against other stations' powerful 10K transmitters, what was then called Smile Radio 91.1 became the #1 FM station in the city of Naga and the province of Camarines Sur. Driven by a pioneering spirit and inspired by then RMN chairman, the late Don Henry Canoy, and his son, President Eric Canoy's call to undergo a paradigm shift and think out of the box, SM Al-Ubanya hatched an unconventional idea. An AM-type news and public affairs program aired on FM and in full stereo. The innovative format, which was launched in June 1996, was initially criticized. For some, the change was radical and therefore took a bit of time to suit the listener's taste. But eventually, the AM on FM programming started making great waves, and soon enough, DWNX was ruling the airwaves of Naga and Camarines Sur. At this very same juncture, the late Jesse Robredo, one of Naga City's local heroes, was advancing the call for good governance, people empowerment, and transparency in governance. A formidable collaboration between Jesse and DWNX followed suit. All for the good of the citizens of An Maugmang Lugar. Awards came pouring in after that. In 1999, 2000, 2001, and 2003, DWNX consistently bagged Catholic Mass Media Awards for Best Radio Station, Best Station Manager, Best Host for News and Public Affairs Program, Best Reporter, and Best Newscaster. That's 4 years of bringing home the greatest number of awards. But it didn't end there. DWNX was also awarded Best Provincial FM Station in 2000 by the prestigious KBP Golden Dove Awards. The awards were certainly just icing on the cake because the primary moving force behind RMN DWNX has always been to serve its audience not only by delivering the most relevant news and information, incisive and insightful commentaries, but also by providing services to the poor and the marginalized, to the weak and the oppressed. DWNX was recently rated the overall #1 radio station, both in the AM and FM bands. DWNX 1611 is Radio Mindanao Network's first #1 AM station in the entire island of Luzon. DWNX, 27 years of unparalleled broadcast excellence, public service, and groundbreaking programs and innovations. This is RMN, Radio Mo Nationwide.
Sa serbisyo publiko, maaasahan mo mga balita'y detalyado at